Chad from Spring has a question about Freon pricing.
He caught the end of you talking about your AC situation and all that. And Chad writes, did I hear you say that R22 cost had skyrocketed but was now coming down?
Big time.
I thought they were phasing out R22, or is there an alternative? I have two older units, he says, that he figured he'd have to replace them in the near future due to R22 being phased out. Tom, can you give him the chill news on this?
R22 is not being phased out. In fact, our president, who's in the office today, Donald Trump, he signed an executive order. I'm not sure exactly how long ago. A few months ago. He's been almost 2 years, right? So the ban on R22 has been pushed aside. It's not banned anymore. In fact, it's preferred over the 410A because 410A actually causes global warming. R22 does not. And we had an ozone issue.
Really? R410 causes global warming and R22 doesn't.
No, R22 was notorious for the hole in the ozone. Remember that?
Yeah.
A long time ago.
Yeah, but
they got rid of all the fluorocarbons.
Yeah, that's closed up, though.
That's right.
Right.
That's why it's silly to ban it.
So what are you saying? So we closed that up, yes, but we caused global warming.
That's right, because now R410 can't escape through the hole. I really don't know how it works, Charlie.
Okay.
But it is not banned.
I got this crazy idea. Let's stick to home improvement.
That's right. But the new refrigerant coming out is going to have propane in it to replace the 410A. And that means the Railroad Commission is going to be in charge of the Freon now, which means more licensing and other things here in the state of Texas.
In Texas, yeah.
All right, so the bottom line is this. You can get R22, and you can buy, I think it was about $350 for a 30-pound jug, which is about $12 a pound now. So it really dropped tremendously.
See what you started, Chad? Okay.
Yeah, I'm serious.
And just in case you're watching this somewhere that's not here in the great Lone Star State of Texas, the Railroad Commissioner is in charge of many things. Railroads isn't one of them.
That's true.
Just so you know. Okay. All right. You got questions? We'd be happy to answer them for you. Send them to us here at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form, and we'll answer them like these videos over yonder. Subscribe to our channel, and we will be forever in your debt.